close to my foot, which is scary. I had a couple of friends who knew a guy who put an axe into his foot, so they called him Axe Foot. I know, real clever, but I don't want to be Axe Foot. Nobody wants to be Axe Foot. You see how it's splitting into weird chunks, and as my axe went through, it turned portions of it into fucking sawdust. Like, I have never seen that by an axe before. I don't know if it's because